I made a promise to myself. While sitting on a park bench at 3 in the morning, homeless, with $2.47 in my pocket. That promise changed everything. Just 6 months earlier, I had everything. A 6-figure tech job, a downtown apartment, respect, a future that felt guaranteed. Then the layoffs came. One email, one sentence, and suddenly, nothing was certain. My savings disappeared. Not on vacations, not on mistakes, but on my mother's hospital bills. And I'd do it again, even knowing how it would end. Then came the eviction notice. Folded paper, heavy hands, the sound of a door closing behind me. For a while, my car was home. Parked behind a 24-hour diner, sleeping in 2-hour stretches, telling myself this was temporary, until even that was taken away. When the tow truck pulled off, it felt like the last piece of my life went with it. But the hardest part wasn't the hunger. It wasn't the cold. It was the invisibility. People walked past me like I wasn't there. That night, I pulled a crumpled business card from my wallet. My old mentor. One phone call, and this could all be over. But I didn't make the call. Instead, I made a promise. I will rebuild. Not someday. Starting now. Every morning, I went to the public library when it opened. 50 job applications before noon. Every day. Most days, all I got back were rejections. But I kept applying, because stopping felt worse than failing. On day 14, one small freelance gig came through. $800. It wasn't a rescue, but it was proof. I wasn't invisible anymore. That's when I started recording my journey. No filters, no speeches. Just the truth. On day 23, one video went viral. A startup founder saw it. And right there, in the quiet of the library, my life changed. 2 years later, I run a nonprofit teaching coding to people who were exactly where I once was. 47 housed. 31 placed in tech jobs. I still carry that business card. Not as a reminder of who could have saved me, but as proof that I saved myself. Rock bottom isn't a grave. It's a foundation. Whatever bench you're sitting on right now, make the promise. Your comeback story is waiting.